Hey there! Are you using email marketing to boost your profits? Today I want to share with you some simple but valuable tips for writing high-converting email campaigns that will surely help you connect on a deeper level with your audience and grow your business. So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive in. Tip 1. Get to know your audience like your best friend. Remember, your subscribers are real people with unique needs and desires, so treat them like your best friend. Take the time to understand their challenges and aspirations. Talk to them in a way that resonates with their emotions and motivations. Show them that you genuinely care about their well-being, and they will be more likely to open, read, and take action on your emails. Tip 2. Keep it sweet and simple, just like a treat. When it comes to writing emails, simplicity is the sweetest recipe for success. Avoid jargon and complex language that can confuse your subscribers. Keep your emails easy to read and understand, just like a sweet treat that brings joy without any fuss. Your goal is to make your message crystal clear and irresistible, so your subscribers can't wait to take the next step. Tip 3. Tell stories that leave a lasting impression. We all love stories, right? So why not use the power of storytelling in your emails? Share real-life anecdotes, success stories, or even your own journey. Let your subscribers relate to your stories and be inspired by them. A good story can create a genuine connection and leave a lasting impression, making your emails memorable and your brand unforgettable. Tip 4. Make it all about them, not you. It's easy to get caught up in talking about ourselves, but remember that your emails are for your subscribers, not for you. Put yourself in their shoes and focus on their needs and interests. Personalize your emails based on their preferences and behaviors. Show them how your products or services can solve their problems and make their lives better. When you make it all about them, you'll earn their trust and loyalty. Tip 5. Test, analyze, and optimize for the win. Don't settle for good enough. Keep aiming for greatness. Test different strategies, analyze the results, and optimize your email campaigns for better performance. Well, there you have it, my friends. Some essential tips for writing high-converting email campaigns. Check out my links if you need help with your emails. It will be a pleasure to help you achieve greater results. Cheers!